Hello, my loves. All right, this video I'm going to try to make short but sweet. I had to take my glasses off because I have to use my ring light because it is already dark outside. But I have some news for my channels and I'm actually pretty excited about it. So I think it just makes sense. And I've gotten advice on this before, and I should have listened to that advice a lot sooner. But, you know, I kind of tried to just keep everything on one channel. Like all of my content that I filmed, because I like to do multiple things, I've tried to keep, I just kept on this one channel. So I decided to split my channels up, and I'm going to be having 3 different channels. So to explain that, I'm going to have this channel right here, which is going to stay videos of my son and I, Hunter, doing taste test videos and food type videos. Anything's like what I eat in a day videos, grocery hauls, things at the store that I think that maybe you should try or that we're going to try. So it is going to be all about food and tasting, taste test, and all that kind of stuff. So that's what this channel is going to be called, and I'm still picking names out and all that, so stay tuned for that. So the second channel, well, there's like in no particular order, but 2 more channels, and one is going to be all about cleaning, like cleaning motivation videos. All of my cleaning content and my organizing content and stuff is going to be over on that channel. And then my third channel is going to be all about beauty and fashion and thrifting, because I want to do more thrifting because I love thrifting, and my jewelry and like unboxing videos from like the thrift store. So I'm going to have a food channel, a cleaning organizing channel, and like a beauty fashion channel. So I'm very excited about that. I think it's going to be so awesome to have all of that separated. That way, if y'all only like one specific type of content, then you can just sticking to one of those channels. But it would mean so much to me if y'all would go subscribe to all of those channels, and I will make it known. Like I will have all of those channels linked down in the description box. And if I haven't even posted a video yet, you can definitely subscribe still. That would just mean so much to me, because that really just helps me out, you know. And yeah, I will definitely share on this page, like on like the community tab and stuff like that. Even on my Instagram, I will share with y'all whenever I post like a new video. I'm thinking about having an Instagram for every single different type of like channel that I have, so y'all can follow those as well. That might take some time for me to set that up. So that'll be linked below, like once I do that. So this year, I just feel like great things are going to happen for me. I love creating content, and I'm just really, really hoping that I can get where I want, like just reach a bigger audience and things like that. So it's going to be fun. I'm excited about it. And yeah, like I said, check the description down below for those channels and go subscribe. It would just, like I said, it would mean so much to me. I'm sure in the future I'll be doing some type of giveaway, and just to give back and give my thanks, you know. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I hope y'all are excited about it, to see more content from me and to kind of like see it separated up a bit. And yeah, welcome to this new channel. I already know the name of this channel, and this channel is going to be named Munchin' with My Mini-Me, because everyone always says Hunter looks just like me. So I'm excited to have a channel with him, like specifically to do our little taste test videos, because he just loves it so much. So stay tuned. We just actually filmed our first crumble cookie video for this new channel. All the other content is going to stay, but we will just, from now on this channel, be doing food type of content. But all right, thank y'all so much for sticking with me on this journey. Hope you continue. Be sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below your thoughts and opinions on this. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next one. Thank you. Bye.